Hi, it's Tina from FixYourWater.com. The link to our website is in the comments below. But I wanted to talk to you today, if you've ever done work with PVC, Schedule 40 PVC, I don't know if it's for, I've only ever worked with Schedule 40, so that's all I can speak to. But primer, I always wondered what primer was for, and so I Googled it and looked all around, read a lot, and it really is needed if you're going to glue PVC pipe together. Because number one, it has an effect on the plastic when you're doing that little ball, the fuzzy ball, and swirling it around. It softens the plastic to make it meld with the glue and the pipe that you're putting into. It also cleans dirt, oil, and grease off of your PVC pipe, because most times PVC at the store is not stored inside, so it gets grime and filth and whatever on it. Oil, it can have oil, and the primer removes all that and softens the plastic and gets it prepared for the glue so you can have a tight seal. So thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.